K-Bar tactical survival knives are renowned for their ruggedness and versatility in challenging situations. Originating from military heritage, these knives feature durable high-carbon steel blades, ergonomic handles, and reliable sheaths. Designed for multiple tasks including cutting, slicing, and chopping, they serve as dependable tools for survival, self-defense, and outdoor activities. With their robust build and practical designs, K-Bar knives remain a popular choice among adventurers and professionals seeking reliable and durable blades for diverse tasks. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 8. K-Bar Kraton Fighting_Utility Knife epitomizes durability and versatility with its robust design. Featuring a 7-inch 1095 Kraton steel blade renowned for its resilience and cutting performance, this knife excels in a multitude of tasks, from combat situations to outdoor survival needs. Its classic clip-point blade design ensures effective piercing and slicing while maintaining a sturdy edge. The Kraton handle offers a secure and comfortable grip in various weather conditions, providing a reliable hold during intensive use. With a durable synthetic sheath for convenient and safe carry, the K-Bar Kraton stands as a testament to reliability and craftsmanship, serving military personnel, outdoor enthusiasts, and collectors seeking a dependable and multifunctional knife for their diverse needs. Number 7. K-Bar Becker Campanion is an epitome of rugged reliability and versatility. This robust knife features a 5.25-inch 1095 Kraton steel blade renowned for its durability and edge retention, ideal for heavy-duty tasks and outdoor adventures. Its drop-point blade design allows for various applications, from slicing to chopping, while retaining its sharpness through rigorous use. The Grivery handle scales provide a comfortable and secure grip, essential for extended use in challenging conditions. With a durable polyester sheath offering multiple carry options and a robust construction designed for survival situations, the Beak 2 Campanion stands as an exceptional choice for outdoorsmen, survivalists, and anyone seeking a durable, all-purpose knife for diverse tasks in the wilderness or everyday use. Number 6. K-Bar 1245 Tanto Fighting Utility Knife epitomizes strength and precision in a versatile design. Featuring an 8-inch 1095 Kraton steel tanto blade, it offers exceptional piercing power and durability, ideal for combat situations and demanding outdoor tasks. The robust full-tang construction ensures reliability under intense use, while the tanto-style blade design provides exceptional tip strength for piercing and slashing through various materials. The Kraton handle offers a comfortable and secure grip, even in adverse conditions, providing confidence during extended usage. Number 5. K-Bar 1217 usmc Fighting Utility is an emblem of historical legacy and unwavering reliability. Its 7-inch 1095 Kraton steel blade, stamped with the iconic usmc logo, stands as a symbol of its rich military heritage and exceptional durability. This knife's classic design, including a clip-point blade, ensures versatile cutting capabilities, ideal for combat, survival, and utility tasks. The leather-wrapped handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, promoting precise handling in various conditions. Accompanied by a durable leather sheath for convenient and secure carry, this knife honors its tradition as a faithful companion to military personnel, survivalists, and collectors seeking a rugged, time-tested blade with a legacy of service and excellence. Number 4. K-Bar 3050 Mule Folder embodies adaptability and durability in a compact folding design. With a 3.875-inch AUS-8 stainless steel blade, this knife strikes a balance between strength and edge retention, suitable for everyday utility tasks and outdoor use. The versatile drop-point blade shape ensures precision in slicing while maintaining resilience for heavier cutting. Its textured Zytel handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, enhancing control during use. The dual thumb studs and reliable lockback mechanism offer easy one-handed deployment and a secure blade lock for added safety. Completed with a reversible pocket clip for convenient carry options, the K-Bar 3050 Mule Folder stands as a practical and dependable choice for those seeking a versatile, everyday folding knife capable of tackling a myriad of cutting needs. Number 3. Kabar 7503 Jarosz Turok exemplifies strength and reliability in a purpose-built design. This knife features a 6.25-inch 1095 Kraton steel blade, showcasing exceptional durability and cutting prowess suited for survival and outdoor tasks. The drop-point blade profile ensures versatility in handling various cutting and chopping needs, while maintaining edge retention. Its ergonomic ultra-mid handle offers a comfortable and secure grip, crucial for extended use in challenging conditions. Designed in collaboration with knife maker jarosz, this knife incorporates a durable polyester sheath for safe carry and quick access, making the Kabar 7503 Jarosz Turok an ideal choice for adventurers, survivalists, and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable, rugged tool for demanding situations and wilderness exploration. Number 2. Kabar Becker B3 Becker Tack Tool is a robust multipurpose instrument engineered for versatility and durability. With a 7-inch 1095 Kraton steel blade, this unconventional tool combines the functionalities of a knife, pry bar, and chisel. Its chisel ground blade edge allows for various cutting applications, while the robust construction ensures resilience in demanding tasks such as prying and scraping. The ultra-mid handle provides a comfortable, ergonomic grip for precise control during use. Designed by Becker in collaboration with Kabar, this versatile tack tool comes with a hard plastic sheath for secure carry, catering to the needs of outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and professionals requiring a reliable, multifunctional tool capable of handling diverse challenges with ease. Number 1. Kabar Becker B9 Combat Bowie stands as a formidable tool blending strength and versatility. Featuring a 9-inch 1095 Kraton steel blade with a classic Bowie shape, it excels in heavy-duty tasks, from chopping wood to outdoor survival scenarios. Its robust full-tang construction ensures durability and resilience under rigorous use. The blade's clip-point design facilitates piercing and detailed cutting, while the ergonomic Grivery handle offers a secure and comfortable grip, even in challenging conditions. Designed by Becker in collaboration with Kabar, this knife embodies reliability and functionality, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and professionals seeking a powerful and dependable tool for a myriad of demanding tasks in the wilderness or tactical environments.